Divisibility Rules. One day teacher gave division sums as homework. She told the students to separate the division with or without remainder as 0. After returning home, Jimin started solving the divisions. Jimin, what are you doing?
Mom, I am solving the division sums given by our teacher. Which type of sums are you solving, Jimin? Mom, division with or without remainder as 0. But they are taking a lot of time.
Don't worry, Jimin. We have an easy way of finding division with or without the remainder 0. To find whether a number is a divisor of a given number, we follow certain rules. These are called the tests of divisibility. Divisibility Rule of 2. All even numbers are divisible by 2. Even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So, all the numbers ending in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are divisible by 2. However, large a number is, you can say whether it is divisible by 2 or not just by looking at the last digit. For example, 3496 is divisible by 2 because 3496 is an even number, as its last digit is 6. Divisibility Rule of 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of that number is divisible by 3. Example, 3321. Here, the sum of the digits of the number is 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 9. This number is divisible by 3 because the sum of the digits of this number is 9, which is divisible by 3. Divisibility Rule of 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are both 0 or the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. Example, 2400 and 2132. In the first number, the last two digits are zeros, so the number is divisible by 4. In the second number, the last two digits are 32, which is divisible by 4. So, the number is divisible by 4. Divisibility Rule of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. Example, 3205 and 5400. In the first number, the last digit is 5. So, the number is divisible by 5. In the second number, the last digit is 0. So, this number is divisible by 5. Divisibility rule of 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. The rule is very similar to that of 3. But remember that all the numbers divisible by 3 are not divisible by 9. However, all numbers divisible by 9 are divisible by 3. Example 4, 2, 9, 3. Here 4 plus 2 plus 9 plus 3 is equal to 18 is equal to 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Since the sum of all the digits in 4, 2, 9, 3 is 9, it is divisible by 9. Divisibility rule of 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit of the number is 0. Example 7650. This number is divisible by 10 because the last digit is 0. Let us recall. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is equal to 9. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are 0 or are divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of that number is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digits are 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8.